Hello, let me show you something interesting. If I arrange dots like this, one dot on the top, then two dots below, and then three dots below that, what shape do you see? Yes, this looks like a triangle. Today we are going to learn about triangular numbers. Numbers can be shown using dots, and when we arrange dots in a special way, they can form different shapes. These shapes help us understand the numbers better. So, what is a triangular number? A triangular number is a number of dots that can be arranged to form a triangle. Let's start with just one dot. Even one dot can be considered as a tiny triangle. So, 1 is also a triangular number. Next, we have three dots, and we can arrange them like this to form a triangle. So, 3 is also a triangular number. Now we have six dots, and they can be arranged using three rows. One dot on the first row, two dots on the second row, and three dots in the third row. This also forms a triangle. So 6 is a triangular number. Now let's try to understand how triangular numbers grow. So we started with one dot and then we added one row with two dots. So 1 plus 2 gives us 3. Next we added another row where we had 3 dots. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. So each time we add the next number, and that's how triangular numbers grow. So we can see it visually here. 1 dot, 1 plus 2, 3 dots, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6 dots, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 10 dots. And that's how we can see our triangle growing. So here are some more triangular numbers: 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21, and so on. So the key idea is, if the dots can be arranged to make a triangle, then that number is a triangular number.